You use Google Drive every day, but most users only scratch the surface. Today, I will show you Google Drive tips every user must know to work faster, smarter, and safer. Welcome to Infotrix, where we turn everyday tech into powerful tools. Let's unlock the features most people never use. Search smarter, not harder. Go to your Google Drive search bar. Google Drive search is smarter than you can think. Use the filters. You have to select here what types of files you want to search. And here you can find all of the formats of your file. Even you can search for your folders here. Audio, videos, and archive GIFs, forms, presentations, spreadsheets, what types of documents you want to search. So I will select here documents, and this is owner section. You have to specify these options, what types of file you want to. So I want to search my own file. So I select this option, owned by me, and just set the date here. I want to search by custom dates. So I select custom, give here the date. I want to search this file from 2020. So I select 2020 and December. Click search. It will find your all documents in 2020. It will save your time and consume your productivity. Start importing files like bookmarks. Right-click on the file and go to Organize options and click Add to Start. And anytime access them from the sidebar. Here is your sidebar. Here you can find this option Start and click here. You can find all of your files are in here like a bookmarks. If you have a file set to prevent editors from sharing inside a folder, you then make someone as editor of the entire folder. If that editor shares the whole folder with a new person, that new person will get access to the file. This happens because the file settings only stop someone from sharing the file directly, but it doesn't stop them from sharing the folder it's in. So, right-click on a file or folder, and here you can find the share option. Click here, and you can find these types of window. General access. Here you can select these options to restricted. Never use these options for anyone with the link. This is more dangerous and this is more harmful for your security to set this option anyone with the links. And in the right corner left, you can find the settings options, and never allow these options to editor change permission and sharing options. Always you have to uncheck these options for your security purpose, and then go for done. Enable offline access. Open your Google Drive and go to here settings and click settings and scroll down, and you can find this option offline. Get a check marks here. If you don't have add your extensions, it will ask you for your extensions. Go to install the extensions for your browser. Add it to your browser and edit files without internet. It will synchronize your all files later. Google Drive isn't just storage. It's a productivity engine if you know how to use it. If you learned something new, like and subscribe to Infotrix and comments in the comment section. More smart tech tips coming soon.